Yes.
So how do I protect my own aura? Like how, if I am going for some work or something, how do I protect my own aura?
Okay. Uh, if you do your Reiki practice every day,
Okay,
so your aura, you are protected.
okay,
Your aura is protecting you. You don't have to protect your aura.
okay,
If your aura is strong, then the negative energies like that other people have, it will not affect you. So uh, do Reiki bath before going out. And then when you come back, you can do Reiki bath. Okay. Uh,
okay.
or you can do seven chakra healing. So seven chakra healing is like uh, almost compulsory in the morning,
Yeah,
right? So once you have done that, then you're fully energized. Your aura is thick, so you are protected all the time. And you want protection, just connect to Reiki. Reiki is the energy of the universe. It is a powerful energy, most positive energy, right?
okay,
You're connected to Reiki, you're protected all the time.
okay,
So if you feel, you can just connect to Reiki anytime. If you are out also, you are you are protected, right? So
right.
uh, you have to cleanse your energetic body also from time to time. Just like we clean our physical body, we take bath. So energetic body you have to clean from time to time. But don't be in a state of fear. Fear is a negative emotion.
Okay,
Protection. People who are too much concerned about protection, they get more psychic attacks from other people.
okay,
Those who are fearless, like my God is protecting me,
okay,
Reiki energy is protecting me, I am protected. Repeat this mantra in your mind several times, because if you have this attitude, then negative energies won't affect you.
okay,
But if you are fearful, then fear will attract negative energies.
okay.
Negative energies will attack you. But since you are Reiki practitioner, it's okay. You can do Reiki and remove everything, right?
Okay.
But many Reiki practitioners live in fear, and many teachers also put that fear in the student's mind. You have to protect your aura, you have to protect yourself, you have to protect everything. My I don't teach that to my students. What
Okay.
I'm teaching is that you are connected to the most powerful energy, intelligent energy of Reiki. It's a universal energy, pure energy, positive energy. How can negativity touch with you if the energy is flowing through you? The
Right.
energy is flowing through you, through all
Yeah.
chakras. How can negativity come inside? You are
Okay.
full of that energy. Your aura is full of energy. Every cell of your body is full of energy. How can negativity touch you?
Yeah. Right. I didn't experience it in last since I have done like practicing it daily. I haven't experienced it, but before that, like if I'm going to some medical appointment, example, I would be so fearful. Like I would have anxiety in my stomach. I will go to the washroom couple of times. I would have those vomiting feelings like even before I start to leave.
Yeah.
And when I go there, it's okay. Like yeah, it's okay. But still, I have a lot of anxiety before going that to that particular appointment.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why this question came to my mind.
Right. So now that you know that you are protected, Reiki is with you, this powerful energy of the universe
Yeah.
is you, and you are connected to that. Be connected to Reiki. Whenever you're going to a hospital or something like that, be connected to Reiki. You will be protected and there's nothing to fear.
Yeah.
What's there to fear when the most powerful energy of the universe is with you? God's energy is with you.
Okay.
What can anyone do?
Yeah.
So I am a fearless Reiki teacher, and my students are fearless. And people who are on the internet who are creating fear, I am I feel pity for them because
Okay.
even though they know Reiki, they are still in fear. They live in fear.
Right.
But people who are not done Reiki, I can understand about them. But those who
Okay.
have learned Reiki still in fear, so I feel pity for them. And
Okay.
I feel sorry for their teachers also, because in spite of being a Reiki teacher, many people have this wrong notion
Okay.
and stay away from all these people, the astrologers or Reiki teachers or any other healer who puts fear in your mind. Stay away
Right.
from them because they are fearful, they are attracting negative energy, and they have learned that only. So uh, what can they give? They also give you fear only.
Yeah.
That
That's
fear,
true.
they will give you the fear.
Right.
Stay away from all such people. Those who
Right.
are genuine teachers will give you confidence, fearlessness.
Right.
You will feel fearless after meeting them. All your
That's
fears will go, doubts will go, clarity will come.
yeah. Yeah. But certain in day-to-day life, like if say my parents or my cousins, when I speak to them, I don't have any fear because they don't share any negative stuff or anything like that. But when I come across with different other people like therapists or different doctors, and I have to face them because it's a part of facing them. They share some negative things or stuff, I just stop them or just avoid those stuff, but it still like co- keeps coming to
And
me.
that is the past, right? Now you have
Yeah.
just started learning Reiki,
Yeah.
right? So in the past, this was happening,
Yes.
right? I understand that. Now it is a past. Now you have new understanding. You have just learned Reiki
Yeah.
and you're just beginner. It's the first level. So as
Okay.
you progress, you will have you will have total immunity. Nothing will concern you. And
Okay.
if you just follow the instructions what I'm giving step by step, whatever you are learning, if you just practice that slowly and steadily, you will become fearless. You can face anybody and you will not take any negativity from them. You will know.
Okay.
You'll be totally fearless.
Okay. I'm confident about that because I am feeling much better than the earlier. Yeah.
Yeah,
That
you
I
will
know.
keep getting better because now you have new understanding, a new perspective, new point of view, which you did not have earlier.
Okay.
This is so powerful. You are connected to the powerful energy of the universe. If the universe is with you, who can be against you?
Yeah. That's right.
God is with you, then who can be against you? In
Right.
uh, in Chaitanya Charitamrit, which is a scripture in very famous. If you go to ISKCON, you might have heard this. Mare Krishna Rakhe Krishna Mare ke. If Krishna wants to kill somebody, who can protect him? And if Krishna wants to protect somebody, who can kill that person?
Yeah.
This is a shloka in Chaitanya Charitamrita.
Okay. Okay, I haven't been to ISKCON, but my husband reads Bhagavad Gita, so he sometimes tell me some things, so I just listen to him. Yeah,
That is
that's
the logic. So Reiki practitioners can be fearless.